how Mongolian possessive nouns work. So let's get started. We will start with number 50. You've already learned Mongolian numbers, so I'm going to say the numbers in Mongolian. Tel, oranchimik, oranchimik. It's quite common that Mongolian names usually consist of two separate names. For example, oranchimik is made up of two different names, orang, orang, or orna, orna, and chimik, chimik. Oranchimik is a female name. Orang means someone who is talented with art, writing, crafting, or any creative skills. It can also be an adjective that is used to describe how beautiful embroideries, designs, and patterns are. Chimik means ornament. When Mongolians give nicknames to their loved ones, they usually keep the first letter of their name, or the first half of their name, or the second half of their name. So oranchimik can be called Ogi, Ogi, or Orna, Orna. Also, if oranchimik has siblings whose names start with orang as well, for example, Orambat, Orantitsik, then they would call oranchimik as Chimge because all of their names start with orang, so instead of Orna, they would call their children Chimge, Bata, Tsitske to differentiate from their siblings. Also, nicknames can be totally different from one's actual name. It depends on the family. From now on, if a name consists of two different names, I will type them in different colors. Also, most Mongolian names have a meaning. Depending on their meaning, it will tell us whether it's a female or male or unisex name. These are quite common Mongolian nicknames. If a person's name starts with A, then their nickname can be Agi, Agi. If their name starts with A, then it's possible that their nickname is Egi, Egi, and so on. Ogi, 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 Ogi. We don't use Igi or Ogi as nicknames. They would sound weird to a Mongolian. Duchis, Ganchimik, Ganchimik. The nickname I can think of for this name is Chimge because Gam means steel. It's a really masculine word, so it wouldn't sound great if a girl's nickname is called Gana. Duchunem,